You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more German food names, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. The German pronunciation is, before we get to English, Pretzel. 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 This is why in English it's normally pronounced as pretzel. Pretzel. From German pronunciation, how to pronounce pretzel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.